I'm not talking over anybody, so I've probably talked long enough. Just a friendly reminder, the things that we covered today was CLNE, brought to you by the Wall Street Bets crowd. BlackBerry involved as well, just as a memory as to why I got here. I'm still holding both of these. A little bit of talk about meme stocks, and what really matters in a meme stock is, I guess, traction of the crowd, and the best way to get the crowd amped is with a really nice meme. Is a meme stock, after all, stonk. We talked about T. Boone Pickens and Andrew Littlefair, who one founded it, and the other one, T. Boone Pickens, is the CEO, president, one of the two, or both. And Andrew Littlefair, I guess, is the guy founded it, or vice versa. I don't know. All I know is their names are amazing. And if you don't agree with that, then I can't help you. We talked about Hooker Furniture, because I think it's important that, there's some things that we cover and some things that we don't, but I feel like everybody deserves, some comfortable Hooker Furniture, and it's classy too. If you take a look at it, like they themselves say that they specialize in classy occasional furniture. We talked about carbon credits and a few different companies involved in that, carbon streaming, and how that is most likely going to be a thing that we are all going to be talking about soon enough. And if it's not, maybe we're all talking about it because I shouldn't have been talking about it in the first place, and that's going to be the conversation. Anybody who got involved made a mistake. Ha 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 ha. Or maybe it's going to be anybody who didn't get involved when they first heard about it lost out. Ha ha ha. Both of those I'd probably be on the laughing end of. Other than the CLNE, unless I guess you consider that to be part of that, but I won't stay long enough for that to probably matter. We talked about Vuzi, the M4000, and Verizon, and how they got a chance to show off their super awesome augmented virtual reality glasses in a Verizon commercial, and strike a deal, I guess, with John Deere or somebody, and they're putting them in tractors. Who knows? Didn't look into it enough. My due diligence is very subpar. If there's not a meme involved, I don't know. I can't really read between the lines on actual words. We talked about acorns turning into oaks, and the PACX, PACX SPAC, and how that merger is hopefully going to go through, and very promising for my account balance. We talked about the 59 companies that Biden has said no to that are out of China, because he's got a hard stance against China by telling American investors that there's 59 companies that they can't invest in, that most of them, my understanding is, we couldn't have invested in the first place. So really seems like posturing, but my guess is out of that basket there is maybe a couple that we could have, and so some money may change hands based off of that. The question is which one is it, and which ones are they, and how do we get to them? We also talked about Ride. And if they don't get with the program and follow what the SEC says, or the New York Stock Exchange, or whoever it is they're involved in, if they don't do what the big bosses tell them to do, they are going to be on the floor. And no, removed from the floor, so they'll be delisted. So they better get with the program. Oh, look at that. While we were talking, it got destroyed. No matter. Doesn't matter. It's nothing. Just following the natural progression of the moon. We also talked about BIIB and their Alzheimer's treatment. Really, we talked about the fact that there was a really fat candle leading up to it, and it had something to do with Alzheimer's, but you know what I mean. So, thank you all for watching, and I think I might have made it through with like the least amount of curse words I have ever said, if I even said one. I mean, I did say hooker, but I don't think that that's a curse word. No, I'm allowed to say that. It's their name, right? And thanks for tuning in.
Fuel scooping.
Peace.
Fuel scooping complete.